From the arena, ladies and gentlemen, right here in San Juan City, ito pa rin po si Noel Zarate alongside Mosi Rivera and Rina Villamor. Third set action in the battle for third dito po si Shakey's P-League. And speaking of Rina Villamor, nakatutok ang camera sa kanya.
That's right, guys. And no matter how tight this ball game is, Coach Roger Banzuela still proves to be a true-blooded Bacolodian. Why? Because he plays and he manages to coach with a team with grace under pressure. Ganun din ang mga Lady Stingers sa kanya. So if you are wondering what's next for the Lady Stingers after this Shakey's V-League, well, they are seeing action at the PNG tournament starting May 23. On the other hand, there's only one thing for the Lady Bulldogs. They were told to show a never say die attitude. They need to keep on working despite the Lady Stingers outscoring them. Huwag silang mawala ng pag-asa sa larong ito. Back to you guys.
Well, alam mo, pagdating sa PNG talaga, Bacolod should be giving NCR a run for their money doon sa PNG, you know? Daming sports that the Negrenses can actually excel in. A point here for NU. You got volleyball on the women's side, football.
Marami talagang players na nasa Manila na akala nyo mga tiga Manila yan. Pero sa totoo, are Bacolodians or somewhere in the Visayan region. Ito, kahit Mindanao. Kaya lang familiar na kasi sa atin sila na dito sila naglalaro.
We're talking about people like Nick Laborte and Nerissa Bautista who will be representing
mga
Region 6. Oo. Yung mga Region 6 girls dyan. In fact, Aiza Maiso also is from Region 6. So, watch out.
Ilongga yan. Tagay-Iloilo yan.
Watch out, NCR. Ay, mga Region 7, Region 6, yan mga malalakas dyan sa PNG.
Pag nag-vault in yan.
Oo. Hindi, magkalaban naman yung Region 7 sa Region 6. Mortal na magkaaway pa yan. Yung Cebu sa Bacolod. Sakto, mortal na magkaaway yan.
You're right.
Pagdating sa sports, of course, not only in basketball, but in all sports, but in women's volleyball, in the Philippine National Games, or the PNG, watch out for the University of St. Lasal. Konting pahinga lang yan, ha? May 23 na yan. Tied at 9. Ingpit. Gonzaga. There's Reyes again. Reyes again. Nepomuceno. Danila cannot do a Reyes again.
Kasi Reyes again lang.
Ang kagandahan nga rito kay Reyes, and we were talking about it with Noreen, not only is she an excellent athlete, she's also an academic scholar.
Wow.
Yan ang magandang kombinasyon.
Yan ang student athlete.
Yan ang student athlete. Academic
Perfect
scholar
example.
pa. Ingpit now. Orendain ties it up at 10.
Another close one. Ganito lagi tayo till the middle portion.
Tapos hahataw na yung St. Lasal sa dulo.
So in the
first two sets, yes.
No?
Let's see if NU can do the same thing here. Ingpet with a great serve once again. Oh my goodness! That is a perfect set for Dintin Santiago.
Nakita mo kung kaano kataas. It's supposed to be a quick hit, but look how high this quick hit from Dintin Santiago over the blocker of St. Lasal.
Basketball.
Yan ang gusto mong gawin.
Oo, nakadunk na si Dintin yan sa basketball, sa tinaas na lundag niya doon. And that gives NU a 1-point lead. Maizo gets it back.
Again, going back to that off-speed over the blockers. No aid still coming from the Lady Bulldogs on that attack by Aiza Maizo.
Pays to be aggressive, but it pays to mix it up as well. Gonzaga, Reyes, Chanco. Talibad with a free ball. Danila, Ingpit, goes to Orendain.
There's a combination. Talibad trying to do something with that ball, but it goes out.
Reyes diving already, knowing exactly where the ball was going to go. Alam mo, for those budding liberos out there, watch Jen Reyes. You will learn so much from this young lady. Don't watch her now.
You know, I come to realize that's why kaya siya magaling na libero. Kasi nandun yung precision, yung ano niya matalino pala, diba?
She's a
so
quicker,
very intelligent player.
A quicker version of Leslie Ann Gata. Kung naalala niyo pa si Leslie Ann Gata. She's a faster version. Look at that. I would think, and we were talking about this with Noreen, more than 50% of the receptions of the whole team belong to Jen Reyes.
You know why? Kasi ang galing niya bumasa. Very smart. She knows where to put herself. Alam niya, she has good footwork.
Well, she is the best receiver in the league. And look at the hard work of Jen Reyes paying off, leading to an error there by St. Lasal. And then he's only down by 2, or by 1 rather.
Well, so far the reception department, USLS with 9 and NU with 10 in all sets.
Best digger rather, I would have to say, because Denden Lazaro is the best receiver. Orendain could not contain it. But But you want to see the ratio of how many balls that Jen Reyes gets in a game by NU.
Well, Reyes now 15 digs, excellent digs, and 8 receptions.
Right.
So yung digs na yan, 34%, Noel, if you were asking.
Yeah.
Yung reception naman, 24%.
Dindin goes long after tying the score up. Now 14-13, St. LaSalle, Orendain. Reyes again. Shanko. Over everybody, now a 2-point lead for St. LaSalle.
Right, Shanko on that error gives USLS a 2-point lead in this third set.
If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Orendain into the net. Sana tumangkat pa ito si Patty. She's about what? Right now she's about 5'4", 5'5".
Good thing.
On that side.
Pero she really has that uncanny ability na hindi naman malakas, hindi naman mataas rin tumalon. Parang ang ano yun yun din yung description kay Kiefer eh. Hindi naman mataas tumalon, pero may hang time.
Hindi, pero yung
It can
Kiefer
do
naman,
so much.
yung Kiefer Avena naman, yung decision-making powers nun, ibang klase rin. So para sa libero on the basketball court.
Oo nga,
Di ba?
90-point guard, libero.
90-point guard, libero.
Hindi setter,
Oo.
libero.
Here's Chanko. Here's Maizo. Denila. Reyes again.
And
Ang
again.
luhod na yun, ha? And Maizo just could not resist putting that ball in Vivas' face, saying, "Happy birthday, Mumay." But your team is down by 2.